Marie Skłodowska paid for it with her life. Rosalind Franklin got tripped off of a Swedish prize. Somewhere between a hand picture and fantastical fiction, radio energy travels back and forth between friend and foe. An inseparable part of medicine, radioactivity is everywhere, be it at the start of a menacing event or in the diagnostics or treatment. That's familiar. But what's quirky than new in this field? Here's the concept of radiation hormesis, a myth or a must-solve mystery. It basically says that low levels of ionizing radiation, near to but slightly above background, protect against diseases possibly by activating repair mechanisms. Where did that come from? So first up is the oldest known concept, radon therapy. Radon is a radioactive noble gas formed during the decay chains of thorium, uranium and radium. High doses is a known cause of lung cancer and an indoor hazard when it accumulates inside homes, but low-dose inhalation and water baths are offered as options for chronic pain and some unbelievable claims for diabetes, cancer and arthritis. Hallo, ich bin hypothetisch Ersten aus Deutschland. Jedoch Radontherapie ist nicht meine erste Wahl, aber sie ist eine Wahl für Leute mit chronischen Schmerzen. There are radon tunnels in Germany that let patients breathe in regulated doses of radon strictly with a prescription. It's offered by many of my colleagues in other countries like Czech Republic, Japan, Austria, Poland and USA. Zooming out of Earth, another field full of low-dose radiation is space. Astronauts are exposed to much higher background radiation than those at Earth due to the loss of protective atmospheric values, but still not high enough thanks to Earth's magnetic field. It averages to about 150 millisievert per year aboard the International Space Station, and while on Earth it is about 3 to 5 millisievert per year. But frequent post changes, short space travels and stay, the less number of cosmonauts that exist could confound studies. But one done in 400 US and Russian astronauts showed no increase in the cancer incidence than the rest of the population. In fact, another major confounder could be the possible effect of microgravity on DNA healing. But it has its kinks. There's a proven effect of accelerating cataract called radiation cataract and the possible effect on central nervous system that could cause Alzheimer's at an earlier age. That still stands to be proven. Another intriguing story comes from right our home, India. India has huge thorium reserves, especially in the monazite sand of the coast of Kerala, and one such place, the Karunagapalli coastal belt, is the standpoint for the cohort study given its high background radiation, almost 80 times that in London. But even after a decade-long study, they did not show any excess cancer risk from gamma radiation, except maybe a few cases of leukemia, but that also statistically insignificant. So, could low-dose ionizing radiation work like immunization with weaker microbial strains? While it is proven that high doses are fatal, making even interplanetary human missions a futuristic dream, so debunking overly ambitious sci-fi concepts, but can radiation itself hold the key to defeating it? Could the transition from Kardashev scale 1 to 2 lie in digging deeper into radioactivity, medicine, and both together? It seems ethically unresponsible to subject humans to radiation for mere hypotheses more likely to be null than true. But a rather smart bypass has already been taken by growing cell cultures and lab animals and almost no radiation labs. Cutting off radiation could tell if low dose actually increases our defenses or not. Even if this doesn't become our ticket to intergalactic dominance, maybe deeper studies into this could help novel and existing therapies become an adjunct for chronic pain, something 1 in 5 people suffer from. And maybe, if we go further, even the claims that now seem wild turn out to be more tamed. Till then, steer clear. Wear the lead aprons, minimize exposure for patients and healthcare alike. Dab that sunscreen and don't fall for radon novelties just yet. Time and science will tell. Or maybe they won't. Or maybe we'll end up somewhere we didn't expect with questions we never could have imagined. Till then, keep roving radiation Roll-esis.